about to wash our cars. Pressure washer, the foam cannon.
Okay, she never seen mine, and I don't mind when they keep running. Oh, Silverado, I swear I wanna die, yeah. We ain't close, but I don't wanna die, yeah. Oh, never ride, yeah. I might start a riot, yeah. I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So what's up? She say, feel good, I feel great. Tired, fucking hate, stacking cheese all on my plate. Outside my misery, I think I'll find a way of envisioning a better life for the rest of us.
Alright, I got here. Guess I'm kind of late. While I was over there eating, while I was eating, you guys were working on something, right?
We're trying to get the piece of shit fixed.
Oh, what is this? What's coming over here?
It's still knocking. It's not knocked, but it's the timing chain. It's hitting the retainer. But
raise the engine too. You know how?
oh yeah,
Don't have.
check out Broke Boys if you want to know how we raised that engine.
There's an accident, like a bad accident.
Alright, so I have low battery on the camera, but just give them a walkthrough of what you did today.
You didn't do shit.
Well, he did most of the work.
What you guys did.
Well, we did 50-50, don't lie.
Oh, you just did oil pan, but I didn't put it through. You did the oil stuff.
Okay, well, speed this up.
Okay.
Okay.
So the car makes the noise when you rev it, but when you're driving it like normally, it doesn't make no fucking noise. So I have this.
They don't know what noise.
I have this strange assumption is the timing chain, like there's a bracket that it's hitting. It's hitting this bracket up here, like you can hear it. It's making like a loud sound. It's not run knock, because if it was run knock or anything else, it'd be you hear it right now. So as long as I don't,
the car's drivable.
as long as I don't fuck around, we're okay.
So YouTube, what's under there?
Yeah, bro, we got more room, but still static and slam, son. All day.
All day.
Nah,
I need to wash my
I think he's not low.
Car.
I don't think he's that low. Let me see your light.
under.
He's not that low.
Oh.
There's still more room to go lower. What do you think?
Yeah, now you can. We have the riser kit so you can go bend it a lid now, bitch. Do it. Do it.
So Chris was currently test driving the Cobalt for the second time. Well, third time counting Jesus's. But there's still a problem, right, Jesus?
Yeah, it's broken.
The car's broken.
Yeah, it's a piece of shit.
I don't know if y'all heard the noise at the beginning. Well, earlier in the video. But if you all may know what's wrong with it, comment below and help us out.
It's a prank, guys.
Help a child in need. Help out this child. Comment below. Tell them to comment below if they know what's wrong.
Comment below what you think is wrong. Like, look, it's quiet right now.
Don't want to get in front of it, man. It's almost right.
What do you think it is?
So help this kid out.
Please.
He wants his car. It'll last one more year.
Alright.
Why did you test drive it?
See what's going on.
Alright, so we fixed one car. Fixed two cars. I got my tires. Oh yeah, I didn't tell YouTube I got my tires, but I got my tires. Jesus got his car back, which I'll probably put I think I put the edit I don't know. Should I put the edit or Chris?
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll see. Maybe you'll just see it next time.
I want to do one during the day.
Yeah.
So you can see the car.
Maybe we'll include it in this video if we do it on time. But yeah, Jesus got his car back. I got tires.
He still has a broken car.
Chris's car is almost there. It's getting fixed. It'll be there. Don't worry.
It's like 70% right.
But yeah. So what happened now?
The dipstick doesn't want to stay in.
Yeah, no, you gotta jack this whole up.
Okay.
There's like no room in the
How you
ditch.
trying to work on a slammed car?
I don't know. Whack ass nigga.
Where'd it go? Do you have it? The dipstick?
Oh, there it is.
Oh. Alright, so yesterday we were at Chris's house. He was trying to fix the Cobalt. And all, he put the parts on that he needed, and it still didn't, it was still making a weird sound. So it's running, but he can't be at high RPM. If you can help us out, just comment below if you think you know what's wrong with it. Jesus got his car back. I didn't show you guys my tires and something else added. Got some new tires finally, and the HD hood that I need to be painted. Look, eagle flags. Yeah, I got my new tires all around, same size. I need to go lower. But yeah, stay tuned for the next videos.